Yeah. See, the bark is peeled off. That's from lightning. What happened when you guys heard that lightning?
There was orange on the garbage can. I couldn't even see the garbage.
Yeah, you guys woke up shaking. It was so loud. And you slept through all of it.
Yeah, it was scary.
Yeah.
And what happened?
Look at.
And what happened? Which tree?
Where were you when it
I was
happened?
in a barn, but that was not lightning bolt that I saw. Bolt.
Are you sure?
One man right in front of the door.
So that lightning bolt hit down right there. And then here is where they were working in the garage. Alright, so our neighbor told us, look at, these are stuck in the ground from that lightning strike. Don't touch them. Look at this. You got home and wondered what in the world was in the yard. There's the tree. Big old cottonwood, I guess. There's a piece of it. There's more of it, guys. Look at this. This one. Pretty crazy. So now do you see how it was so loud?
There's a tree.
Yeah. All right, let's
Where's
go
the
back.
tree, Mommy?
Let's go back. Yeah. Don't touch. All right, let's go.
Push it, lower it back.